Unfortunately, just now I think the sound never get to it. This one, right? But anyway, by reading, seeing the video, you should know. I was installing the Visual Studio Min GW and also changing the environment, right? So now I can open the Visual Studio Code and don't open from you open the Visual Studio Code right now. And I go to other, I go to the 5 and I go to VS something here and I'll type code dot. And I will say yes. I will first go into the extension. I need to get the C++ extension installed. Okay, install already. Then they say a pre-release of C++ is available. Will you like to switch it? Pre-release? No, I don't want to pre-release. Let's just ignore this guy. All right, say no. And now I can write a code. Hello world. The edge about hello.cpp. Right, I will install recommended. Yes, I'll install whatever recommended. Okay, so install the recommended. Go back to here. Go back to the code. Okay, I'll get bigger. Then I'll just do a normal include. Right, and just IO then right. So I just say using uh using standard library, right? Why the include the new from include why is new from okay using standard IO, right? Then namespace using namespace using namespace, right? Um, using namespace is easy, I think. Let me just I'm just blur see this. Okay, this one looks good, but this guy don't know what happened. What happened to this? No, it should be shouldn't be error. Just go over here, include. Yeah, like that. Why include? Okay now. Now it seems okay. Okay, I will just say in and just say the out. I just want to say hello. Just want to test whether it's running. Right, hello world DPP. And that's it. That's it. Run. I don't know. Click here. Click run. You can see the GDP here, right? Click this guy. C plasma. Click. You will actually get it running fine. Actually. I believe so. Let's just close this guy first. And yeah, everything is actually working. It's from scratch. The first no sound video and this video, you can see everything is running. I will stop sharing and stop recording.